Hi guys, this is another video after completing your profiles. So here the next one we goes to institute rules. What the basic which has been settled before uh, by default. You can import the institute rules by clicking on this button, and it will import the institute rules. By default, you can edit them, you can view them. These are the institute rules. Uh, you can edit them as per your own rules and regulations. Which will be shown in different areas where you want to show them, and you can add institute rules furthermore if you want. These are the main headings, the categories, and you can follow the procedure accordingly. Session settings. By default we got at the time at this time the uh, 2022 current session, but when you add more sessions you can set them from here. This is SMS setting, so it will be better to go through the procedure. Here you can see the links where you can use your mobile devices and mobile SIMs as your SMS gateway to send SMS to your students and for your communication. Here you can register in the SMS admin panel. If you click on this, it will take you to this screen and you can register from here. So it will require your name, email address, and confirm email, and then you will register. So when you register, then you will be able to log into your own admin panel of SMS, and it will be linked to your system for sending SMS. If you come back here this is the APK. Copy this link and open in your mobile to download the SMS mobile app, which will add your device to the admin panel. And from this admin panel, you will need to copy your API, SMS API key, and paste that here and select enabled. So it will connect to your mobile SIMs. So you can add as many devices you want, as many SIMs do you want to send your SMS from the SIMs. All the messages will be divided on all of your SIMs connected to the admin panel. The next one is email configuration. So email setting. Here you can set up your email settings, and the email, whatever communication you are making through emails, will be using this path. You can put all of your personal email information here in the screen. The other structure after this will be showing in the next videos. The video need to be very short. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.